On today's video, we talk about, will sellers sell their house even though they have a low interest rate? What's going on? Alex, your top real estate agent. If this is your first time to my channel, every single day I drop a video about real estate. So if you're into real estate, make sure you hit that subscribe button. On today's video, we're going to talk about, with rates going up, what is that going to do for sellers putting their houses on the market because they have such low interest rates they got a few years ago? Are they going to want to sell and buy something new and have to get double the rate they have? So with rates continuing to go up, we're actually going to see more inventory not hit the market. And this is why. If you're a seller right now and you're at $800,000 with 400 equity, you have a $400,000 loan, and you were able to get a 2.5 rate in the last year or so, your monthly payment is just under $2,500. Say you were going to sell that house and buy the same amount of house with the same equity, same everything, but now rates are at 5%. Your payment jumps from just under $2,500 all the way up to just over $3,000. So you better like that house to pay an extra $500 a month. So say you're going to sell that house and buy maybe $1 million house. So you're at $1 million, you have a $600,000 loan on it at 5% interest rate. Your payment now is $4,300. So that's a difference. If you're moving up in payments, over $1,200 a month, it's over $15,000 a year. So are we going to see more sellers just stay in the house they are because they have such that low interest rate that they're just not going to move up and pay the extra $15,000 more a year to get the newer home? But remember, I always say you buy and sell to solve problems. So the bigger thing we're going to notice is that sellers are going to really need to see a massive problem in their life to want to sell their house at such a good rate and buy something else. And you also got to remember is when they sell this house, it's roughly going to cost them to sell and buy about $55,000 in closing costs. So it's going to be another hiccup and why sellers are not going to be putting their houses on the market. In my opinion, in Southern California, especially the Inland Empire, the most people are going to be seeing is selling, is moving out of state. So people that want to retire or things like that, we're really not going to see too many people selling, taking the higher rate, paying the extra $15,000 a year in their monthly payment just to move down the street for a house that's a little bit nicer. Hopefully you like this video. Comment below if you have any questions, and until next time, peace.